The market is still at this very point of resistance, and on the Bitcoin 1-day chart, nothing has really happened. The market is still sitting within this very region of critical support. And if you look at the ETH charts, market is still going to move to the upside. All of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. On the TRX USDT, right at this point, I told you the market is going to move upward. And that is what we are seeing right now. And we took this position around this very area in the premium signal group for the market to move upward, especially on this very candle. But what happened was the market come back down a little bit and then move upward. Why our stop loss is at this very point. We are still in this very position, but right now we've shifted elsewhere to break even, so that if market come back down, we will not be in loss anymore. So what I am expecting right now on this very chart is a reduced momentum to the upside, because the market will not come into this level anymore because of the reduced momentum in the bulls, and the bears are gradually taking control of the market to the downside. So right now expect a slight move downward before the next move to the upside. That is what you must have to pay attention to right now on the TRX USDT 4-hour chart. So pay attention to shorting the market after this movement to the upside. Market is going to come back down. So right now, don't buy the market anymore if you do not buy around this area or around this very point. The dynamics of the market have changed. Okay, so and we all know that price is dynamic. Okay, and that is what we are seeing right now on the TRX USDT chart. And on other chart, I told you to look for short opportunity after this very breakout on this triangular pattern. So that very analysis is still in play. I am still looking at the market moving upward. So after this upward movement, market is going to come back to the downside. So expect the market to still move to the upside. I am still expecting this very upward move for a retracement and then continuation to the downside for a continuation of this very breakout. So market breakout, retracement is needed, and then short opportunity will be a nice thing to do from this very area to the downside for a short position. So pay attention to the market moving upward. So on the immediate short term, market is going to move to the upside. Okay, so after this retracement and then continuation will be a nice time to short the market at this very point of resistance. This is what you have to watch, and keep watching this on this very other chart. And on Bitcoin 1-day chart, I told you that this very level is a very important critical level of support. So this level of support is very, very important, and that is what is holding the market right now, as you can all see. So expect a reduced momentum to the downside at this very point, and that can guarantee that the market is going to move upward. So if we see reduced momentum at this very point of support, then that means market is going to from here move to the upside, and then a breakout on this very level of support is going to send the market into this very point of $36,000 and this level of $37,000. So this is what you must have to keep watching on the 1-day chart. So watch this very level of support. Is a very critical and important support on the chart right now. Remember, I told you the market is going to come up. Okay, so a movement to the upside is required for us to get a nice short opportunity to the downside. This is not the right time to short nor buy the market. Right now is a waiting period on the 4-hour chart. So wait for the market to continue this movement upward, and then at the end of retracement is continuation back down. So from this very point of resistance right here is where a possible short entry will be a nice place to take a trade at this very point for the market to come back to the downside. So wait for the market to move upward. I am expecting that the market come up a little bit with a little bullish momentum to the upside into this very level, and then it's going to present to us a short opportunity with some bearish presence to the downside. This is what I am still expecting and watching on the chart right now. And lastly, on the ETA chart, you'll notice that the market moved a little bit upward, and then this very point, market is gradually coming back down. What it means is that market is going to, from here, move to the upside a little bit. So I am still expecting that very retracement upward. Okay, so this is a full length of retracement, even though what we are seeing right now is this move, correction, and then the next move. So you consider the whole of this move a retracement of this very impulse to the downside. So at the end of this retracement, which is around this very area of resistance, market is going to from here come back to the downside. This is what I am expecting right now. So for ETH USDT 4-hour chart, expect the market to move upward from this very point where the market is right now. Market should from here continue upward, and then it's going to present to us a short opportunity for us to short the market to the downside. This is what you have to watch right now on the ETH 4-hour chart. So a recap of today's video is this market on the ETH 4-hour chart is going to still move upward, but look for short opportunity. And then for the 4-hour chart BTC, still look for short opportunity as well, and monitor the way the market revolve around this very level of critical support on the 1-day chart. And if we see a breakout, the market is going to come back down into the 37 and $36,000 on the 1-day chart. And on Audi, pay attention to shorting the market, and right here on TRX, look for short opportunity on this very pair as well. So this is the various things you must have to watch right now on these various charts. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. Don't forget to check the description of this video. See a link to our crypto bootcamp that is taking place next week, Sunday. That is on the 28th of January 2024. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.